So today I shall be reviewing these 3 non-acetone nail polish removers. Now for a long time I've used this basic non-acetone nail polish remover by Lidl's, the Cien brand from Lidl's, which is it's very inexpensive, and I've always found that it's removed the nail polish really well. But I thought I'd try some other ones to see if there are some that maybe are more conditioning for the nails. So these two are a little bit more expensive. There's the OPI acetone-free polish remover and the non-acetone polish remover from Cutex. So on this hand, I shall be using the Lidl's version, and then on this hand I shall use the OPI and the Cutex, and I shall apply the nail polish remover on these quarters of cotton pads and these soak off clips, and I shall apply it for 60 seconds on each nail first of all, and then remove it to see what effect it's had after 60 seconds, and then go from there. So I want to know how long does it take to remove the polish, and when the polish has been removed, what condition do my nails look like they're in. So I shall start with the Lidl's version. And I shall set the timer now for 1 minute. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, so that's removed it quite easily in 1 minute. How about the red? Again, that's removed easily in 1 minute. Okay, so I will now go to take the nail polish off. That's obviously pulled that off a bit, but never mind. So I'm doing OPI on these 2 nails, and then I think I shall do these 3 with a Cutex, just so that I've had one of these nails is red and one of this lot is red as well. Okay, let's have a look. So remember, these 2 are OPI and these 3 are the Cutex. I would say that was on par, maybe not quite as easy to remove as the Lidl's version, but we'll have to have a look later and see, is the condition looking better? Do they look not quite so dried out maybe? We'll see. It does seem to come off a little bit better with the Cutex. It just slides off, whereas with the OPI, it's a little bit more tacky. The polish sticks a bit more to the nail, but it just glides off, seems to glide off with the Cutex. Yeah, again, I just pull it off and it just glides off very easily. I would say that is more like the Lidl's version. Whereas the OPI doesn't seem to take it off quite so smoothly. Well, to be honest, I can't really say any difference in any of them. I wouldn't say that any of the nails look particularly parched or very dry. But I think of them all, I think I prefer the Cutex. This is the Lidl's and this one is the Cutex. I would say the OPI doesn't work quite as well as the Cutex or the Lidl's version. So I would say it's between these two, which I would say are pretty much the same. What I should do is I shall just give my hands a quick scrub and then we'll come back and then we'll have another look at them. So I haven't given them a really good look. I can't see any noticeable difference. I would go with the Cutex for the most moisturising one, but it's very, very little between it all, to be honest. I would say they're equally good, really. The OPI took a little bit longer to remove. It removed, but it was felt a little bit tacky as I pulled it off. Whereas the Cutex, when I pulled it off, it was very silky. I just pulled it off and it just slid off. And I would say that is similar to the Lidl's, the Cien one. So that's quite a good result, really. I would say that any of these three would be fine, absolutely fine. But like I say, the Lidl's one is significantly cheaper, and I can't remember how much this was, but it was significantly more expensive. And the same with the OPI was quite expensive. So I think I would stick with this one actually, because I can't see any significant difference. And the most important thing now is to do a warm oil soak to put that moisture back into the nails, and to bring them back up again before I start applying a polish. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little review. And please do let me know what nail polish remover you use and what your experience has been with it. And I'll see you next time.